Want to know how to add a product to cart in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created various videos regarding Best Buy, how to get Best Buy and much more in our channel, so make sure to watch it. So adding a product to cart is super simple. So first things first, you need to search for a product. So you can just simply head towards shop right here, or just simply scroll down and see appliances and much more, and then just simply add to cart. So let's say I have this product that is loaded onto me right here. So in order to add to cart, what I can do is I can just simply see or search this product. So once I see this product, I can just scroll down and see add to cart should be around here. So if it's not here, just simply head towards the quick search, and here you should be seeing add to cart, just like that. And now once I trigger that, your product should be added to cart, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.